Welcome to the Liverpool City. Let's have a look at drone view and interesting facts of Liverpool City. Liverpool is a city and metropolitan borough in northwest England. It's located on the eastern side of the Mersey estuary. Liverpool became a borough in 1207 and a city in 1880. The liverbird is the symbol of Liverpool and can be found on the city's coat of arms. The iconic Liver Building is one of the three graces on Liverpool's waterfront and is home to the famous liverbirds. Liverpool has a rich maritime history and was a major port during the height of the British Empire. The Albert Dock, opened in 1846, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular tourist destination. The Beatles, one of the most famous bands in the world, originated in Liverpool. The Cavern Club is a legendary music venue where the Beatles performed nearly 300 times in the early 1960s. Liverpool is home to two Premier League football clubs, Liverpool and Everton football clubs. Anfield is the historic home of Liverpool Football Club, known for its passionate fan base. The city's football rivalry between Liverpool and Everton is one of the oldest in the world. The Metropolitan Cathedral of Christ the King is an iconic modernist structure in Liverpool. The Anglican Cathedral in Liverpool is one of the largest cathedrals in the world. Liverpool's Chinatown is the oldest in Europe. The city's waterfront was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2004. The Blue Coat Chambers is the oldest surviving building in central Liverpool, dating back to 1717. Strawberry Field, made famous by the Beatles song, is a Salvation Army children's home in Liverpool. The Mersey Ferry offers scenic views of the city and is an iconic way to travel across the Mersey River. The International Slavery Museum in Liverpool explores the history and legacy of the transatlantic slave trade. The Walker Art Gallery houses an impressive collection of European art. The Tate Liverpool is one of the Tate galleries dedicated to modern and contemporary art. The Magical Mystery Tour takes visitors to key Beatles-related sites in and around Liverpool. Liverpool was the European Capital of Culture in 2008. The city is known for its vibrant nightlife, with numerous pubs, bars, and clubs. Liverpool's cultural scene includes the annual Liverpool Biennial, a contemporary art festival. The Grand National, one of the most famous horse racing events, takes place at Aintree Racecourse, just outside Liverpool. The University of Liverpool, founded in 1881, is a Russell Group university with a strong academic reputation. Liverpool John Lennon Airport is named after the famous Beatle and is a major international gateway. The city has a strong Irish heritage, with many residents having Irish ancestry. The Royal Liver Building is one of the first buildings in the world to be constructed using reinforced concrete. The Beatles Story is an interactive museum dedicated to the lives and music of the Beatles. The Merseyside Maritime Museum explores Liverpool's maritime history. The Echo Arena is a popular venue for concerts, events, and sports. Liverpool's population is diverse, with communities representing various ethnicities and cultures. The city has a strong tradition of producing successful writers, including Willie Russell and Beryl Bainbridge. The Penny Lane area, immortalized in another Beatles song, is a popular tourist destination. The city's motto is Deus nobis haec otia fecit, which translates to God has granted us this ease. Liverpool has a strong tradition of grassroots music venues, fostering emerging talent. The Blue Mile is a waterfront trail connecting the pier head to Otterspool Park, providing scenic views. The city played a significant role during World War II as a major port and industrial center. The Lark Lane area is known for its independent shops, cafes, and vibrant atmosphere. The Everyman Theatre has a rich history and is known for its innovative productions. The city hosts the annual Brouhaha International Street Festival, celebrating global cultures through arts and performances. The Strawberry Pub in Liverpool is famous for being the location where John Lennon and Stuart Sutcliffe first met. Liverpool's St. George's Hall is a neoclassical masterpiece and a popular venue for events. The city's maritime connections are celebrated in the Museum of Liverpool. Liverpool is known for its strong sense of community and friendly locals. The city has a unique accent and dialect known as Scouse, which is distinctively Liverpool. The first commercial wet dock in the world, the Old Dock, was built in Liverpool in 1715. Liverpool played a significant role in the abolition of the transatlantic slave trade, with many abolitionists residing in the city. The World Museum Liverpool houses extensive collections in the fields of archaeology, ethnology, and natural and physical sciences. The Mersey Tunnels, opened in 1934, connect Liverpool with the Wirral Peninsula. The city's iconic Super Lambadonna sculpture was created as part of the 2008 European Capital of Culture celebrations. Liverpool's economy is diverse, with strengths in sectors such as health and life sciences, digital and creative industries, and manufacturing. The Baltic Triangle is a creative and digital quarter known for its independent businesses, galleries, and street art. The city's waterfront was named the best in the UK by the Royal Town Planning Institute in 2017. The Liverpool and Manchester Railway, opened in 1830, was the first fully operational railway line. The city has a strong maritime influence, evident in the Maritime Mercantile City UNESCO designation. The Liverpool International Music Festival showcases a wide range of musical genres and attracts artists from around the world. The Penny Lane Development Trust works to preserve and promote the heritage of the Penny Lane area. Liverpool's St. John's Beacon, also known as Radio City Tower, offers panoramic views of the city. The Casbah Coffee Club, where the Beatles played early gigs, is considered the band's first headquarters. Liverpool is home to the oldest Chinese community in Europe, dating back to the 19th century. The city's Unity Theatre is known for its commitment to showcasing diverse and innovative performances. The Liverpool International Horse Show is a prestigious equestrian event held at the Echo Arena. The city's Rope Walks area is named after the historic rope-making industry that once thrived there. Liverpool's Georgian Quarter features well-preserved architecture from the 18th and 19th centuries. The city's Metropolitan Cathedral is also known as the Wigwam, due to its unique architectural design. The Grand National is one of the most watched horse races globally, attracting millions of viewers each year. The Liverpool Biennial, the UK's largest festival of contemporary visual art, takes place every 2 years. The city has a strong tradition of producing successful musicians across various genres, not just in rock and pop. The Liverpool and Everton football clubs have a long-standing tradition of charity work and community engagement. The Bluecoat Arts Centre, dating back to 1717, is the oldest building in Liverpool city centre.